In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dramatically improve your slate engraving results using a simple workflow that combines proper material preparation with image processing in Luma-Loft. Before we continue, I would also like to thank Bruce Jess, who originally shared this slate preparation technique with me. It's a simple method, but it can make a huge difference in engraving quality. If you look at this slate, you can clearly see the difference between the two sides. The right side was engraved directly onto the raw slate material without any surface preparation. It appears faded and lacks contrast. On the other hand, the left side was prepared before engraving, resulting in sharper, deeper, and more detailed markings. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to elevate your engraving results from what you see on the right to the impressive outcome on the left. We'll begin by preparing the slate surface and finish by optimizing the photo using Luma-Loft. Let's get started with slate preparation. Step 1. Inspect the blank slate. Slate tiles usually have uneven textures, natural dust, and inconsistent dark tones. These imperfections can reduce engraving clarity, especially for photos. To ensure a smooth, uniform result, prepare the surface before engraving. Step 2. Sand the engraving area. Gently sand the area to be engraved with 320 grit sandpaper using a sheet sander. This light sanding smooths the natural slate, removing small ridges, loose particles, and uneven textures that could affect engraving quality and contrast. Keep the sander moving with very light pressure to avoid scratching the slate. Preparing the surface in this way ensures cleaner details, stronger contrast, and more consistent engraving results. Step 3. Clean and dry the slate. After sanding, rinse the slate with clean water to remove all dust and particles, as any residue can affect paint adhesion and engraving quality. Dry the slate thoroughly with a clean towel, ensuring no moisture remains. The surface must be completely dry for the paint to adhere evenly and produce consistent engraving results. Step 4. Inspect the surface before painting. When the slate is completely dry, gently run your hand across the engraving area to ensure it's smooth, clean, and free of dust or loose particles. The slate should now have a consistent texture after sanding and cleaning. If it feels smooth and dry, it's ready for painting. Step 5. Apply a thin black acrylic coat. Once the slate surface is clean, smooth, and fully dry, apply a thin coat of black acrylic spray paint. In this example, I'm using Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover, Satin Canyon Black. Hold the spray can about 20 to 30 cm, 8 to 12 inches, away from the slate and apply a light, even coat across the engraving area. The goal is to create a thin uniform layer, not a thick paint buildup. This black layer helps enhance the engraving contrast because when the laser engraves the surface, it removes the coating and exposes the lighter stone underneath, making the engraved details appear brighter and much more visible. Step 6. Ensure the paint is fully dry before engraving. This typically takes 10 to 20 minutes for a thin coat, depending on conditions. Gently touch the surface. If it feels dry and smooth, the slate is ready for engraving. Step 7. Preparing the photo for engraving. With the slate ready, the next step is to optimize the photo for engraving. Image processing is key to achieving strong contrast and clear details, especially for portraits on slate. We'll use Luma-Loft to enhance the image, adjust the tonal range, and create a clean grayscale file for the best engraving results. If you enjoy our content and want us to continue sharing tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. Now it's time to get our photo ready for engraving on slate using Luma-Loft. Open up the Tools menu and navigate to the Style Transformer feature. Browse through the Styles library, and for this tutorial select the Cinematic Monochrome style for a classic, high-contrast black and white look. Confirm to instantly apply your chosen style. Next, upload your preferred image and choose the thumbnail so your photo appears in the workspace, ensuring you're set up with the image you want engraved. For more control, expand the Advanced Settings drop-down menu. Choose your output resolution. This step is key for getting your image ready to transform. Once you're happy, hit the Transform Image button. When processing's done, download your stylized file and close the dialog, bringing you to the next stage. Now, choose your transformed image from the list, and send it to the next processing tool, Laser Engraving Prep, for final tweaks before engraving. Apply essential edits by confirming any crops and uploading your adjusted image for engraving. Enter your required dimensions, like 100 mm wide, to set up for your slate's exact size. Go to the Materials Presets menu by use the search bar to quickly find the best material preset for your slate. Open the Material Presets drop-down and choose Slate Standard to match your engraving surface. Deactivate Invert Output Toggle to fine-tune for slate. Fine-tune your photo by adjusting contrast, gamma, and brightness, making sure your engraving pops against the slate's prepared surface. Don't forget to turn the invert output toggle back on. Control the engraving details by opening the dithering algorithm drop-down, exploring the different methods, and choosing your preferred option for the perfect finish. In this example we choose grayscale, then move to export to get your image ready for output. Make sure to choose Stucky at your engraving software. Almost done. Click Process Image, then download the final PNG file, which is now ready for laser engraving on your slate. Now you know exactly how to create striking laser engravings on slate using Luma-Loft. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more creative how-tos. Good luck with your next engraving project.